Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Luna price update. And the current price for Luna is at the $57 mark, and there's nothing much happening at the moment in the market. And from the all-time high that we had over here, the market is down by 44%. And what I have on the screen is the daily chart, and from this daily chart I want to just give you a brief review of what has been happening in the market. So last year at around August, we started having higher prices for Luna, where we started seeing higher prices in a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 and a wave 5 to this high that you have over here. Then we had a massive ABC correction which took us to the $44 mark in a wave C. So in that move, you can see that we broke this support that we had on the $52 mark and went down to the $44 mark, and from there we had a bounce back to the upper side of this resistance that was over here, and now we are above it. And so with that overview, there are some key scenarios that I expect to see on this chart. Now that our wave C went to the $44 mark, which was good for our wave C, I expect us to continue having higher prices in the market, and that has been playing out since from here we broke to the upper side and we almost made it to the $60 mark. So I expect us to continue having higher prices and break this resistance that we have over here, and once that happens we can have a retest of that zone, and once we have a retest we can even unlock higher prices for Luna and maybe make it to an all-time high. Also, basing it on the fact that Bitcoin might have another sell-off, we can continue having lower prices, close our candles below the support that we have on the $45 mark, and once that happens, that move will be unlocking even lower prices for Luna. And this is also a very likely move for me. And since we also have another technical analysis which I can base on the Elliott wave that we have over here, having my wave 1 to that point, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4 to that point, and then a wave 5 to the downside. And note that this Elliott wave is within an ABC correction that we have over here, and it's predicting that we can continue having lower prices for Luna in a wave 5 and maybe go below this that we have on the $37 mark. So that means that a $30 mark, $30 Luna is possible, and once we have that case scenario, I expect us to then have a bounce back to the upper side and also make it to an all-time high. And this move is likely if we have another sell-off for Bitcoin. So we need to continue watching these key supports and resistances, and if Bitcoin crashes, I expect even lower prices. So my worst case scenarios might play out. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out. I'll keep you updated, so make sure you hit the like, subscribe and notification bell.